G'day mates, today we're looking at my Sylvan 16 litre rechargeable backpack sprayer, capable of holding up to 20 litres? I paid $170 at Bunnings and have now been using it for just over 12 months. It comes with a lightweight fiberglass wand, charger, vacuum pump and 3 different nozzles that range from a jet to a mist. Not much assembly is required, just attach the wand to the handle, then your choice of nozzle and you're ready to charge it. First test was for accuracy and filling it up 1 litre at a time, and it was bang on the whole way up to the 16 litre mark, which strangely isn't actually marked as it's labelled every 5 litres until it gets to the 18 litre mark. Testing runtime, and the manual states that we'll get 5 tanks to a charge. Using the blue nozzle, each tank took around 17.5 minutes, and it ended up running 8 full 20 litre tanks with a 2.5 hour total runtime. That's a lot. 160 litres would get you 1,000 square metres of runtime on a single charge, and I definitely wouldn't want to be carrying it around for 2.5 hours. It's worth noting that the charging time is 6 hours stated in the manual, but my testing came in at 5 hours and 21 minutes. Testing dry weight, and the 5 kilos in the manual measured in at 4.5 kilograms, and with 16 litres of water we're at 20.1. If we fill to the 20 litre max capacity, it's quite heavy at 24 kilos. Switching nozzles is simple enough. Just unscrew the end cap and swap between the blue or yellow nozzles. Filling 2 litres of water and running them for a minute, the blue nozzle used 1.3 litres per minute. The yellow nozzle has a slightly finer mist using 1.1 litres per minute. The other spray head is variable from a jet to a mist. The mist came in at 850 millilitres per minute, while the jet put out 1.6 litres per minute. When it comes to cleaning, there's a top filter basket, then a second filter on the intake, which can be removed easily enough by simply pulling out the hose. The final filter is in the handle, and I had to fish it out with a hook as the opening is too small for needle nose pliers. Access to the battery and fuse is easy and tool free, with 2 clips that need to be moved aside, then you simply pull out the battery unit and fuse box. The battery itself is pretty light, at just under 530 grams. So, what don't I like? It doesn't have a handle to pick it up or hang it on the wall, so it's pretty awkward to get on your back when it has 24 kilos of water in it. The clip for the wand is pretty crap as it holds onto the wand tighter than the backpack, and I'm sure I'll be 3D printing a replacement sooner than later. I also don't love that the charging status light is on the charger rather than the backpack, so I'm guessing you'd have to replace this with a genuine unit rather than a generic 12.5 volt 1 amp charger that won't have this light on it. Otherwise, I'd have to say I'm really happy with it. It was a reasonable price, the runtime is amazing, I've never had to use the vacuum pump, and it outperformed every specification in the user manual, even beating its advertised capacity by 25%. 4 stars.